YouTube people of the world. It is Sunday and I am once again back to report to you guys what I've been doing this past week. Which hasn't been a whole lot. My hair, it's up because it's not really cute and I don't want to show you how not cute it is today. But yes, I am here this week to share with you people of the world what's going on in my life. Well, I didn't promise myself I wouldn't ever do this, but I think that it's important enough to talk about. Can't even figure out what I'm trying to say to you guys. Okay, so I am never going to be the type of person that's going to inflict any sort of pressure on any of you to feel any type of way. Definitely don't want to come off as the type of condescending person. But this is something that I feel like we should talk about and something that I think I need to address. It's a controversial topic and it's very important that you know that I have really strong opinions and beliefs in things. I want you all to have strong opinions and beliefs in whatever it is that you're doing, because that's kind of what makes us who we are. Maybe about a month or so ago, there was a young man named Michael Brown was shot and killed the day before he was supposed to start university. And I know that this is something that's had a lot of tension and controversy. People just really have strong opinions and ideas and beliefs about it. I am all for ideas and opinions and beliefs and all that stuff, but I'm also for educating yourself and knowing exactly what's happening. I am not anywhere near Ferguson and I don't know exactly what's going on, but I, like you, know and see what's happening either through television or social media. What I think that we as young people, or even people in general, neglect to realize is that unfortunately a lot of messages are skewed and they're portrayed in a certain way so that we can understand what it is that the media or even the government wants us to see at the time. It's not an awful thing and it might not be a great thing to skew the media or to present it in a way that isn't necessarily fully accurate. It's important that you have some sort of standard and understanding and you have a really strong belief and opinion about it. Before I go any further into the situation, I just want to explain this very clearly. Mike Brown was a young kid. He was shot and he was killed. So, one person was shot by another person. Now, if you take everything out of the equation and you look at it for what it is and you make it a very basic, plain, simple statement, somebody shot someone else and someone has to be held responsible. There's no other elements that need to be brought into this case. However, I do definitely understand that this is one of those things that does bring race and it has a lot of problems and controversy behind it because there are police officers involved. I'm not saying that what did or what didn't happen was accurate or inaccurate, and I'm not going to sit here and tell you guys that race doesn't exist anymore and that black and white is just something that we see and there's no such thing as racism anymore. I'm just going to give you the facts and the figures and the little information that I have collected and I have seen and I've perceived. Kid was shot in Ferguson, okay? By a police officer. Done. Child happens to be black, African American, and the officer happens to be white. And unfortunately, when you live in a society where people all of a sudden want to revolt against what they feel like is wrong, sometimes that's not perceived in the best way. Listen, being radical and making a change and wanting to stand up for your beliefs is an amazing thing, but just make sure that when you're doing it for the right reasons and you're not standing there doing something that's so degrading and so demeaning to a purpose that's supposed to be something that is pure and that is right. I'm not saying that these things aren't coincidence, but I think that it says a lot about our society and who we are as people. And I think that we need to be a little less ignorant and a little more understanding. This is probably one of the more serious videos that I'm gonna do, but I really think that it's important that we talk about these things because it's been a couple weeks and it's lost fire. When it first happened, everybody was really upset. A country that was in I guess a moral strife and almost divide because you had two different people arguing for something that they believed in. It's important that we keep that fire alive and we don't forget that a young child is dead today. An 18-year-old kid is dead. And what are we gonna do about it? What's gonna happen? This was like a super serious video and it's not my usual, but I just really wanted to talk about this because I have strong opinions about things and sometimes I really want to talk about those things. It's important that my viewers and subscribers and people who watch my videos randomly understand that yes, I'm funny and yes, I'm silly and yes, I can talk about all kinds of crazy things and we can sit and have a good time, but it's also important that you know that I'm a very well-rounded person and I'm very dynamic, and I'm going to talk about different things that are probably going to make you a little uncomfortable sometimes. Wherever you're from, I just want you to be more involved, more understanding of what you can do and how you can change a system. If you didn't have a great week last week, I hope you have a great week this coming week. But if you could like, follow, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that would be somewhere here. That'd be great. I'll see you guys next week.